I'd now like to step away and talk about another tool that Google has in its arsenal that is fully integrated with Google Workspace, and that's AppSheet. And this is a tool that starts to allow your end users to become developers rather than needing full-time coders or IT personnel. And we like to call those citizen developers. So I'd like to give you an overview of how we can automate processes with no-code apps using AppSheet. Right now, most organizations are looking to innovation to support growth and scalability, with global IT spend on the rise annually. While IT is focused on scaling with security and compliance requirements in mind, business users are looking to be agile and leverage increasing amounts of data at their disposal. They're also looking to solve problems themselves without needing the support of IT for every business application. This is where the concept of the citizen developer comes in. Employees want to improve their unique business processes, and they don't want to have a lot of options at this point. They could continue to use pen and paper, which is slow and not innovative. The next option would be to develop solutions internally. Most line of business users would need to learn how to code or have their snowed under IT teams need to take on these projects for them. They could purchase an external solution, but they may end up with many small out-of-the-box solutions that become expensive when added up and difficult to manage all of them at once. Lastly, they could use forms and spreadsheets, which are great, but have limitations on the complexity they can handle. This is where AppSheet comes in. It allows anyone from line of business users to IT to rapidly develop applications. To create applications, simply set up your data source, connect it to AppSheet, build your application, and deploy to your end users. AppSheet apps work great on both mobile and desktop devices and connect to a wide variety of data sources, such as spreadsheets, cloud, and on-premise databases. AppSheet allows you to build solutions quickly, managing the data efficiently, automate your business processes, and achieve quick, shareable insights. With AppSheet, app builders can shorten their development lifecycle, going from idea to solution in days and weeks rather than months and years. For simple apps, you can often go from data to completed app in as little as an hour or two. AppSheet and Google Workspace are designed to work seamlessly together and to meet your line of business needs. With an AppSheet app, you can access content in Google Drive and shared folders, plus update and add content into that drive. With an app connected to Sheets, you can create, read, update, and delete data. Forms functionality can be expanded as a data intake connected with your application. Docs can be used for templates to send automated emails or reports. You can update and add calendar events as well as open Google Meet video for video calls. With these integrations, you can build many mission-critical apps directly integrated with Google Workspace. As we just heard Kelvin talk about, frontline workers have a different set of needs from standard information workers and often require streamlined experiences to achieve quick results. Data quality can be improved by digitizing manual steps and paper processes. And with Google Workspace integration, all data collected becomes immediately available for workers in the office for analysis and reporting purposes. Office workers can leverage AppSheet to automate processes for things like project management, IT ticketing, and virtual training, including approvals management. Not only does AppSheet allow customers to rethink the business employee experience, but it allows them to reimagine the business to customer experience as well. Employees can discover new ways to interact with customers, then build a prototype and begin testing it within a matter of weeks or days, giving them a big advantage in the marketplace. One area is to allow them to be more innovative and to test ideas faster. Another is to allow them to be more agile and to be able to adapt easily to changing priorities and environmental factors. For example, providers can use AppSheet apps to set and manage appointments, give customers an inclusive branch experience remotely, and retail can use apps to manage their curbside pickup. By standardizing tools across the organization, IT are better able to gain visibility on the types of apps their citizen developers are building, while ensuring security and compliance policies are met. This also reduces the need for shadow IT solutions, which increase exposure to risk. AppSheet leverages Google's best-in-class machine learning capabilities. Machine learning is baked in to make more intelligent applications. For example, automatically suggesting UI updates based on the full range of application UIs that have already been built. These machine learning capabilities are put into the hand of the citizen developers, allowing them to leverage things like sentiment analysis, predictive analytics, and OCR. An AppSheet doesn't host your data, but rather it connects to the data sources that you're already using. We've mentioned Google Sheets, which is a great way to get started, but this is not the only data source you can connect to. Connect with your cloud or on-premise SQL servers, API and OData, as well as integrate with Microsoft tools such as Excel or Office 365. And a great story I'd like to share comes from Solvay. Solvay, a global leader in chemicals, leveraged AppSheet to replace paper-driven processes and enjoyed amazing results. Some of these include 10x efficiency in on-time production line reporting, enabling over 400 citizen developers to build more than 1,000 applications, all while improving agility and productivity across their processes. And Forrester marks AppSheet as a leader in the no-code, low-code space. They've even said AppSheet has the most aggressive strategy and roadmap for empowering business people as developers. We really feel that AppSheet is the next step in allowing your line of business users to start being more productive and leveraging the applications that they need and can be customized directly for their requirements in less time, with less hassle, but with the same security and control that you're used to enjoying.